Hi, it's Theo again. Today, I'm excited to show you how easy it is to plan your financial future with MYTHEO. Take a look at this powerful tool, the MYTHEO Financial Planning Calculator. It's designed to help you make informed investment decisions and visualize your financial goals effortlessly. Let's dive right in. Whether you want to calculate your initial deposit, plan monthly contributions, set your investment tenure, or target a specific amount, MYTHEO's calculator lets you experiment with different scenarios. But here's where it gets interesting. MYTHEO provides you with easy-to-understand simulations that help you on your financial journey. Begin by selecting the specific calculation you'd like to perform, such as determining the monthly deposit needed to reach your financial goal. Then, enter the target amount, initial deposit, and the number of years for your investment. The system will then automatically calculate the monthly deposit amount that you need to put aside to reach your goal. It is as simple as that. Furthermore, you can also visualize the projected portfolio value of your personalized portfolio over your chosen investment period. Once confirmed, just click Proceed with Deposit to set your plan in motion. You also have the freedom to choose if you want to manually deposit each month, or have your monthly deposits automatically drawn from your bank account for a fuss-free experience. So, when it comes to planning my financial future and reaching my goals, I put my trust in MYTHEO.